Hello, class. So I've started grading the research plan assignments in Module 7 that have been done, even though they're not due until tonight. I wanted to get some feedback on it right now because I'm seeing some that are fantastic and I'm seeing some that are way too short. And I realized looking at my research plan assignment that it's pretty vague and maybe you think, oh, I only need to say a couple of things about each of these. But really and truly, what I'm asking you to do, I'm going to get the chapter up here, is answer these questions in Getting Organized to Do Research in Section 5 of this. So you need to answer these questions and not just tell me that you read this and you're kind of giving me a summary of it, but that you're doing this with regard to your own project. Like, how are you going to establish your own schedule? And you know when things are due because you have a course outline at the back of your syllabus. But and especially another thing I'm really interested in is what kind of a note-taking system are you thinking about using and why? And then I also want to see kind of at the beginning here that you understand the assignment. Even if you don't have a topic yet, that you know what kinds of research you're going to need to do here in order to fulfill that assignment. So I hope this is helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. And if you didn't get full credit on, if you've already turned it in and you haven't gotten full credit on it, I will take a resubmission on this. So let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing these from everybody after tonight is, the deadline passes tonight. Thanks very much.